Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana and I'm making these free custom videos to show you how can you increase the traffic to your website and help you understand the importance of ranking at the top of the Google search. Because the first step to actually be found by Google is the content in your website. So right now I am looking at your website and anything that is in your website that can be text or image or a video, anything that is on your website is considered content. So just let's have a look at your website. I like that you have the click to call button and this contact form, which is very helpful when navigating using a mobile phone, and you have all of the services that you have in here and lots of click to call buttons, and it's easy to reach out to you guys by anyone that is actually navigating your website. Now, it is important for Google to actually have a look at content. So just in terms of the amount of content, right now your front page has 1,126 words, which is a very good starting point. Let's have a look at your competitors. So we have Precision Door Service. These guys have around 512 words, and the other competitor, Super Garage Doors, they also have a very friendly website. They have 517 words. So as you can see, they don't have as much content as you do, but they are ranking at the top for the organic search. So it's important to have a look not only at the amount, but also how relevant is that content for Google. So to actually do that, I came here and I type in Google search garage door repair Miami, which is a buyer intent keyword, and it's what people actually type in when they want to buy a product or a service. And the first thing that Google shows you is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic. But the flip side of the Google Ads is that if they are not done correctly, they can be very expensive. And also some people have the ability to turn them off. The second section is the Google Map Packs, or the GMBs, Google My Business Profile, which are making a huge impact on businesses because they are driving 40% of the traffic. So to rank at the top, you need three things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And citations is anywhere your business is listed on a directory showing the business name, the address, and the phone number, and they have to be exactly the same so that Google can verify you and give you points and rank you at the top. So that's what we have and what we call the Google My Business Profile. And then the third section is the organic search. And here you can see that I found Precision Door Miami, and this is a directory, so I'm not using that one, and Super Garage Doors. So to rank at the top of the Google organic search, you need a combination of both content, because content is how Google finds you, but also something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs that shows us the back end of a website. So right now I am looking at yours and it's saying to me that you are being found for 19 keywords and that you have 11 referring domains with 571 backlinks. And a backlink is a link on any other website that is directing traffic to your website. And the important thing to consider here is that not all backlinks are created equal, because if a link is sitting on a website that is more powerful or that is relevant to your niche or to your industry or to the services that you provide, then Google is actually going to provide you extra points and it's going to rank you up higher in the organic search. So let's have a look at your competitors. So Precision Door, they have 420 organic keywords and 85 referring domains with 1,100 backlinks. Let's have a look at Super Garage Doors. They have 90 keywords and 222 referring domains with 770 backlinks. So it's important not only to have a look at the amount, but also the quality of those backlinks. Now, in terms of the keywords, I wanted to show you this. So you are ranking for 19 keywords. So this dashboard is actually showing me those keywords that you are being found for by Google. And it's also showing me the volume here, shows me the number of times this keyword is searched for in any given month. So Windows is searched for 250 times per month. And the position column is showing me where in Google you are appearing for that keyword. So it's saying that you're appearing on the 50, 15, 19, 26. So anywhere beyond the 10th position, you are already on the second page of Google. And people, very few people actually go to the second page of Google when they want to buy something. So it's important to have a look at those keywords in your website, because here, for example, this is the most relevant to just a particular service of garage door repair homestead, and you are ranking on position number 38. Let's have a look at your competitors. So Precision Door, they are ranking for 420 keywords, and have a look at this. Just the first two terms, Garage Door Repair Miami has 700 searches per month, Garage Doors Miami 300 searches per month, and they are ranking on the first and the third position. So between and Garage Door Repair Miami, Florida, 150. So those three terms or keywords means that that website, their website was in front of 1,150 1,150 people per month. And that means that the probability of those people actually clicking on their website is higher, meaning that a percentage of people that actually click actually reach out to them, and then a percentage of the people that actually reach out to them, depending on their closing rate, they were actually able to convert into customers. So that's why it's important to actually drive traffic to your website, because more traffic translates into uh, more customers, and more customers translates into more revenue. So if you actually like this video, you can just provide me feedback in terms of the content that you found here. If you find this valuable, you can actually take this content and implement it on yourself, or you can actually give me a call. My details are on the at the bottom of the email. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.